Good morning, folks. We're going to go ahead and get started today on installing the exhaust on the STi. But we got to get the cars moved around a little bit, so Danny's heading over. I'm going to get, don't ask why we have this many cars, I'm going to get all the cars realigned, get the Subaru pulled in, and we'll kind of document the whole thing for you guys. Exhaust install number 2, STi number 2. So.
Alright, welcome back. We're at Jay's house. We're gonna install this Q300. We're gonna attempt to anyways. Onto the Scoob. We'll see how easy it is to do this. Shouldn't be too bad, but we'll try our luck and we'll see what happens. I didn't bring my tools.
I know I should have told you, but I think we're good. I think we have bits of everything.
Yeah.
If not,
Yeah.
trip, I think we're good.
Alright.
So I'm gonna get it from the differential.
Yeah, do you want me to chalk this? Oh, no, we can't.
Not yet. Wait till we get it up.
Well, the thing is, because there's no e-brake on the front, so if it starts pushing forward, it's gonna move.
Yeah, I think it has to move though, like while it's getting jacked up, unfortunately. Because as it gets, it usually moves a little bit. But
All right, man. If
this
thing runs away, then I don't know what to tell you.
It should be okay. Maybe just put it on the ground up there.
It's like super wheel gap. Like, not the Evo 10 wheel gap. I'm talking about the Evo 8 wheel gap where, like, you can fit your head between.
I like the Evo 8 wheel gap.
That thing was...
Dude, mine was so sick, man. Wingless already.
Dude, you had
You
had a lot of dope cars, but
yeah,
you just kept getting rid of them, man.
it hurts, man. It hurts to think about. The Evo probably hurts me the most, then the STi. The Volvo's slave cylinder went out, so I don't really care. I'm glad I got rid of it.
Yeah, I mean, that thing would have been pretty dope if it would have stayed together.
It was fast, dude.
Yeah.
I thought it was faster than the STi and the Evo stock, but
It probably was.
that's gonna be a lot of space, dude, for us. Want to check the front?
Yeah, hold up real quick.
Should be good.
Yeah. Let me move this out of the way. All right, now it's starting to roll backwards.
That's what I was saying. It does roll because we're pulling it, dude.
Yeah, all right. Well, I think that should be more than enough space.
You think so?
Yeah.
Well, remember the wheels will be a couple inches lower. Because the wheels.
Oh yeah, they compress. Okay, yeah.
I just want to get both these underneath.
All right, still got a little bit to go.
This mat's pissing me off.
Supposed to be there for comfort, yo.
It will be. Maybe another inch.
All right. Hold up. This thing was put.
Can you give me the ratchet in the top drawer?
Yeah, this thing was put on recently.
Yeah, this car was actually restored because it's had 2 blowers.
Oh.
Remember I showed you the other one I found?
Yeah. So the ratchet.
Just the ratchet.
All right, bruh.
You might be able to use this hardware, dude.
Some
It's
of
like
it.
brand new.
The spring-loaded stuff.
Yeah. Not the spring-loaded ones.
Yeah, but as far as like the rear stuff, yeah, that looks pretty mint.
Dude, the hardware's fine. So maybe we'll just use this, save ourselves a...
Are you holding the back, dude?
Nope.
There you go.
Could I get that t-shirt, dude? It's fucking getting PD blaster all over.
Yeah. Here you go. Do you need like a wrench or something?
I have a wrench.
Oh, okay. Alright, let's get back to the action. No struggle bus today.
This ain't no Miata.
That's gonna be the word, the phrase. This ain't
no Miata.
This ain't no Miata.
You the Miata's like that.
Dude, trust me, I've had many struggle buses on the Miata, man. It is insane. But then again, that car is what, 20 years old, and this is probably the most it's been taken apart. So of course everything's gonna get stuck. Oh, you can. Well, no. They probably put some like thread locker on that thing too.
That's what I think too. Which is funny because I was gonna put anti-seize on them because so they're easy to get off when we want them.
I mean, I guess you can. Oh, dude, getting that JDM angle, you gotta turn it sideways. I'd say just get the other one off, and then you should be able to pop it. Quick update, we're back from the store. We jumped right on it. Jay made the decision just to go to without the adapter plate. We got some bolts and nuts and washers to get in. Try to center the gasket as best as possible, but we'll see if it leaks or not. As you can see, it's poking out a little bit, but yeah.
Is it even weight reduction, my dude?
We'll see. Keyword of the day, we'll see. Next up is the back cans of the exhaust. Not too bad. Just got a little bit more to go. Just gotta hang them, bolt them in, get the gaskets in, and then put them together, and then we'll start it up, check for leaks, and we'll go from there. So we'll get to it once these are on, and we'll see how it sounds.
It was going smooth. Danny cutting a bolt, so I guess I cranked it down so tight in an effort to fix an exhaust leak. So Danny's on the Dremel. Sparks are flying.
Alright, another video. Finally got the exhaust on. We skipped, or I didn't say skip, we didn't video a bunch of stuff.
Sandpaper, okay.
Yeah, here's the bolt we had to cut off. This nut got stuck. Tried to cut it off. Didn't have the right size cutting wheel, so we only got part way through. Ended up going to Home Depot, getting some legit metal Dremel cutting wheels. Cut the head off. That thing's out. We got the donut gasket to fit. This flange right here, it was leaking. Put it back together, it's not leaking anymore. We got this one, not leaking, not leaking. We're about to clean up.
I'm gonna pitch all the old hardware, right?
There we go. What? Oh, yeah. Sure. I'll wash my hands out here.
Here, take this.
Alright. Here you go, guys. First startup. Well, technically. Let's see
Fourth
how-
or fifth.
Fourth or fifth. Got the classic Boxer rumble.
You like it, don't you? It's just enough poke to look cool, huh? Like a little, any more would be like too much.
Yeah.
It's already more than I'd like, but I'll take it. Look at this thing. Tips, dude.
Yeah.
Never seen a tip that nice, huh? Now we both got titanium tips. Titanium looking tips.
Titanium looking.
I think they're stainless steel. It's like 6 out a little more. All in all,
Yeah.
not bad for a day's work. A full day shouldn't have taken that long. It took us maybe, I don't know, let's say 20 minutes to get the exhaust
Yeah.
off. That's us jacking it up and ripping the bolts off.
Yeah.
And all the hardware that came with it was just garbage. One thing I would say, never use used hardware. We basically didn't. We thought we were going to, and getting all new hardware.
Yeah.
Pretty happy with how it came out. Looks good. It's not too loud. It's actually pretty close to suck, huh?
Pretty quiet. At least it's not the Miata.
Let's roll. Let's go to Nav Move and Turn and yeah, noodle soup.
Let's get some noodle soup, yo.
Oh, no ricers allowed.
Oh, you better get out then.
No ricer allowed. Alright, let's.
Just enough rumble.
I didn't put the AC on, so if you want it, you can.
I'm okay, man.
Dude, it's quiet. Let's actually roll up the windows.
Yeah, we'll see with on load. Alright, so this guy wants me to stand out in the sun, watch him drive around and record some video. Nah, I'm sitting down in the shade, dude. Dude can kick rocks with that noise. We'll see how his off-road truck sounds. And it doesn't sound too bad. Sounds just like every other Subi owner. There you go, Ken Block over here at Gymkhana. Driving through the parking lot. I ain't standing up though. It's too hot for that. He needs to hit some boost. Keeps saying, oh, it's almost ready, it's almost ready. It's been like 6 months, dude. Alright, let's go.
How'd it sound, dude?
Sounds like every other Subi owner.
No, dude. You know what?